further.
What if I told you that you could create cinematic looking videos with AI, complete scenes, motion, even sound, without touching Premiere Pro or After Effects? You would probably think I'm exaggerating, right? Today, I am testing an AI platform that claims to do exactly that. This is Higgsfield, an AI video creation tools that a lot of creators are quietly starting to talk about. I want to see if it's actually useful or just another overhyped AI tool. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how Higgsfield works. I'll screen record my entire workflow, test different AI models, and by the end, you'll see whether this is something you should use as a creator. No theory, no fancy promises. Before I go on my screen, I'd like to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video just like this one. I'll go to my screen now. Alright, so here I am on the Higgsfield.ai website and I'm going to walk you through how to use some of the tools here on the Higgsfield.ai website to create the best AI generated content. So I'm going to walk you through how to use the Nano Banana Pro and as well the Clean 2.6 and the Cinema Studio and some of the other AI models. So I'm going to just click on the Nano Banana Pro. If you don't know how to get to this page, all you have to do is click on the link in the description or just enter the website link manually, higgsfield.ai on your browser and it will bring you to this page. So once you get to the home page, all you have to do is sign up. You can create an account with your Google account. And once you're done, you can just explore the tools. So once you're on the Nano Banana Pro, you can see here are some designs I created earlier using the Nano Banana Pro, and you can really do some amazing stuff here. So all you want to do is enter your prompt right here, and you can select the aspect ratio, whichever aspect ratio you want, and you're good to go. So I'm just going to select 16:9, and let me write a prompt here. Make sorry about that. Make a YouTube thumbnail for my video how to make money online. All right, so I'm just going to all right, you can select the quality you want here, 4K, 2K, 1K. I'm going to go with the 2K and you can select the amount of generations you have, I think. All right, so I just need one unlimited on, and I'm going to click on unlimited. As you can see, it says in queue. So I'm just going to wait a bit for it to generate this image. So while we wait for this image to finish generating, you can see this was an image I generated earlier. It took a while because but you can see the quality of this this image. You can see the quality. It looks so good. I think I just entered here's the prompt I entered: generate an image of thread flying an aeroplane. And you can see how fantastic this image is. The quality is top notch. All right, so I'm just going to go back and here is the image we just created. It says make a thumbnail for my video how to make money online, and you can see it's made a perfect thumbnail how to make money online, beginner's guide and proven strategies. So all you just have to do is work on your prompt, tweak your prompt, make your prompt as good as possible. So the results you are getting, the output you are getting, it's very, very good. You can see I generated this with just a line of prompts and also this thread image with a line of prompts. So you can see the Google Nano Banana Pro is one of the tools you should look out for in the Higgsfield.ai website. So I'm just going to go back to explore and so we can take a look at some other tools here. All right, so one tools I like the most in this Higgsfield AI website is the Claim 2.6. So why I like this tool is because you can make short AI generated videos with very simple prompts. So on the Claim 2.6 model, you can make short AI videos with just simple prompts. So I'm just going to upload an image here to show you how it works. I'm just going to look for an image. All right, I'm going to upload this image and I'm just going to clear this and enter the prompt, bring this image to life. You can see just a simple 5-word prompt, bring this image to life. All right, I want audio, so I'm going to select, make sure the audio is checked if you want the output to include sound. Duration, 10 seconds is fine. Model Claim 2.6. Then I'm just going to click on generate. It might take some time. All right, so while we wait for this video to generate, I'm just going to show you some amazing stuff you can do with this model, the Claim 2.6 model. You can see this image animalization where a human character turns into a dog. You can do this with this model. You can make this animation with this model. You can see here some really good design. Here's a human flying. Here's like an action cartoon or something. Here's a cyborg. So there are some really cool features you can do here. All you have to do is be really good with your prompting, and you can really achieve some really good AI videos here. All right, so I'm just going to close this and go back to see if our generation is done. And you can see it's still in progress. So we are just going to wait a little for this to finish. All right, so our video is ready. So we just have to click on the play button. Wow. This is really amazing. You know what we did here? We just wrote the prompt, bring this image to life, and it brought the image to life. And this is really cool. So this is one of my favorite model here on the Higgsfield.ai website. I like to use this a lot to create short form videos. So if you're an AI content creator, you really want to check out this tool and make the best out of it. So another feature here is the Cinema Studio. You can see at the top here. So this is one of the amazing features the Higgsfield.ai have. So on the Cinema Studio, you can easily turn images to videos as well, and also edit existing videos here. So all you have to do is upload the image of your choice or just enter the prompt you want and make your generations. So it's super easy to use. So I'll go on the explore page and let's take a look at some really cool stuff you can do here. You can see here are some other tools you can also use. There's the cleaned motion control. There's a skin enhancer you can use to enhance your skin. There is the Claim 2.6, which I showed you already. The face swap, you can use it to edit faces, swap faces and all that. Angles, you can use it to create amazing angles of your images. You have the Seed Dream. It's like a 4K image model. You have the transitions that you can use to create amazing transitions. And this is really cool, for real. This particular one is really cool. So there are lots of things you want to try out here. Lots of amazing stuff you want to try out here. All you have to do to get started is click on the link in the description, create an account on the Higgsfield.ai website with your Google account or whatever available method you choose, and start exploring the tools. That's it for this video, guys. If you find this video interesting, I'd like to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post more amazing videos like this one. See you in my next video.